It's our first time seeing snow.
Oh, crazy. What is going on? That's kind of crazy.
What is this stuff?
She's going. What is that?
Really fat spikes.
Here, turn so I can get the snow in the background.
Yeah, we don't want the.
Oh my gosh.
Freezing.
This is
It's like jams with
crazy madness.
Oh, got it. Oh, it's in my ear. Oh.
What do you think?
What do you think, honey? I don't think too much, Dad.
Are we unimpressed? We are.
She seems unimpressed.
Like, okay, whatever.
I, however, am really cold.
Got your chest all open up. You should pull out
It's-
the zip it, man.
I didn't think it was going to be this cold.
It's snowing.
I'm aware of that.
Yeah.
Well, all right.
Your hair is covered.
We are unimpressed with
Get a
snow.
picture of Mom's hair. Hi.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Okay. Going back inside.
Done.
Going back inside.